So you think this is our new house?
Yep.
Okay, then let's go. Come on. We'll explore the outside later.
Okay.
I don't want to call dibs on a room. What's in this room?
I want the master.
No, this is my room. Get out.
Fine.
Ugh, these people didn't make their sheets correctly.
Well, come over here and I want to get my room.
Okay, then go choose your room.
Okay.
I think they said there's 1, 2, 3 rooms in this house.
Whoa, I call this one.
There's also a pink room downstairs for...
You know, I want this neat green one.
Okay. I mean, I was going to make this one purple, but... I'm kidding. I was not going to make it purple. That is way too much money. Okay. Want to go get some food in since we've not eaten in days? Since we went to Washington, D.C. Wait. That's probably a year old. What are you doing?
Who cares?
This is...
You're eating it?
Yeah, I'm not going to take any risk. Let me just make some tea.
I'm going to take a lot of risk.
Do you want a smoothie?
Sure.
Fruit smoothie.
I want a strawberry smoothie.
Okay. Here's your strawberry smoothie.
Thanks.
But then she doesn't know.
They're gone.
What?
Pancakes are gone. Well, wait, not yet.
Yeah, I was like, I don't care. I'm gonna make a strawberry milkshake for me. I made a strawberry milkshake.
Ha, I already have one.
You have a strawberry smoothie. I have a milkshake!
Smoothies are better.
Milkshakes are made out of ice cream.
Oh.
Get out! So drink your smoothie.
I'm drinking it.
There! Drink! Good thing she doesn't know that it was a fruit smoothie made out of celery.
Wait, what? It was milk! Can't believe you.
At least I got the good room. I'm gonna go outside. You stay inside!
Fine.
I'm gonna lock this door. I wonder what this is. It's a leg! There's a little planting area. I want to plant some things. Let's make some daisies, because daisies are pretty. Okay, this is good. Okay, I'm gonna go inside.
Valerie.
What's wrong?
Go upstairs.
Why?
I ate all the food.
This was 10 years old! I just got an email from a freaking people that I was 10 years old! I'm done with you. 10 jokes on you! I didn't eat any!
I'm good.
The only thing to make it better is a milkshake. Let me make you a milkshake.
I'm going to my room.
I'm gonna milkshake!
I'm in my room and burning it.
Come on now! Your milkshake's done! If you don't come here right in 3 seconds, I will kill you.
Fine, I'm coming.
3, 2, 1! Drink it! Drink it!
What is it?
Sorry! With dirt muck.
Ew, I need to go to the hospital.
The bathroom's downstairs, I think. I'm gonna go outside and look on the plants.
I'm ordering fresh pizza.
No, you aren't. You're grounded.
Dang it, I don't have any money.
Yeah!
I'll go work.
Wait, don't leave the house yet.
Fine.
Come here, wherever you are. Wanna go see the garden?
Yes.
I planted one daisy and one carrot. Oh my god!
It's so awesome.
I got a carrot.
I have a carrot.
I got a daisy bouquet. Why is there a cactus right there? Okay, good.
Hey, do you want to go to Florida town?
Sure, after I bring this thing with me. Get in, sucker!
Wait, what?
Get in!
You can't get it.
I know. Bye! We don't even have a car yet. I'm gonna store this down
You
here.
have like $12,000.
$11,000 and 980.
You have like $11,980.
Yeah, I'm rich. What can I say?
Buy a car. That's
No.
what I.
Cars are $20,000.
Shouldn't we work there?
Who needs a car? Hey, I heard there's that no one's built a garden shop yet.
Really?
I don't know. I'm gonna go come back in your room and go research online about stuff. Let's see.
But I don't have a computer. I don't have a computer.
Just wait.
Give me a computer.
Okay, so you're grounded. Go die in a hole. Get out. I don't want to see your face ever again.
Ow! It's my sister.
I don't care. It's my house, you brat. Get out. I'm mad at you. I'll quarrel with you.
I'm not gonna stop moving.
Okay, we're gonna do this the hard way. Wanna do this the hard way, huh? How do you like me now, sister?
So mean. Blocking me seriously?
How do you like me now? Wait, stop moving! Stop moving.
You know, I'm just going to this house.
Ask me for a computer again, I will kill you. Wow, this is a cool house. It's small. Ask her to make you this house. She seems like a great builder. Better than you. Ma'am? Can you make me a house? Yeah. And Donnie, I can't right now, but I can later.
Why can't you sing when I'm writing?
Brianna made me donate her money. No, you're kicked out of the house. Never come back.
Okay, let's go find another person who help me build a house.
No.
So rude.
Fine, stop moving. She just private chatted me. She was like, anywho, now that there's no gardening shop, want to make one?
Sure.
Okay, let's go rent an empty plot. Okay, I'm online right now buying one. Ching, ching, ching. Okay,
How much money is another plot?
300 V-Bucks. Okay, got him. Let's build, sister.